So I'm here to tell you today about the beefiest rack I know, Beef Rack, which is this right here. So basically we designed our own extrusion to work as a roof rack or a mounting interface for the top of the camper. We'll do a lot more in-depth product videos for now, but we'll just give you an overview to kind of show you how this system works. So we've got teeth on both sides of a T-slot extrusion track. So you can take our standard track nuts at 1032 quarter 20, put them in, spin 90, and bolt things into the top. Same goes on the bottom. If you needed to get underneath it for some reason, there's a track on the bottom as well. We have basically found that there's about 1/8 of an inch of deflection with a 250-pound point load in the center, so it's a fully walkable rack system. And it's made up of a few key components. So basically we have the extrusion cross member with tapped holes in each end. And then on that outer plate, we have these laser cut and powder coated outer bars. And basically it just gets through bolted through that assembly with this outer block right there and kind of all bolts together. So once this is all like that, pretty much just pop it over the sides of the extrusion. This roof is able to float a little bit. So what we recommend is taking a rubber or plastic mallet. We get these from Harbor Freight. I think they're like $5. And you pretty much, wherever you want to place it, you just kind of knock it in. And do that on both sides. And that should just slip right over. So once that's knocked in and slipped over the extrusion there, basically take the quarter 20 fastener, put it in place, spin it 90. Sometimes they'll want to spin back. Then you'll take the included dog bone, pop that right over like that. And then you'll just tighten both sides down to 7 foot-pound with a 3/16 Allen driver, and you're done and good to go. The beef racks are sold in individual bars with all the required mounting hardware. So one bar gives you one crossbar basically, and you can mount as many as you want. You can mount 30 across the extrusion if you needed to, but typically we see people using like 3 or 4.